Hi guys, this is the YouTube channel for you if you're looking for change in your life.
We're sharing ideas about personal motivation, technology, and life in general in this urban society that we're living in. A lot of people in today's society are stuck somehow in life, stuck in an unfulfilling job, doing things they find a bit boring, but they're making a living out of it. People are going on routine rather than finding a sense of destination and purpose. We're urging you to break that destructive pattern and have the courage to pursue your own dreams and your own goals.
So you should chase skills, not titles. People get stuck on focusing what they should do rather than what they could do. For example, they really aiming to get that important title rather than choosing the job that will actually help you grow. Success won't come from that dream job at the dream workplace. It depends on the skills and the abilities you learn and can bring to the table. So do whatever it takes to acquire those skills that will take you to the next level.
Find your passion in life. Find what you're good at and become great at it. Always find ways to improve. And most importantly, never stop learning. If you don't already have a passion in life, then ask people around you. I bet someone has at some point told you that you're good at something. Go for that. Use your skills to make the world better, even if that is just a little bit.
Exactly. And after that, you should set your goals and have a clear vision. Make a list of things you want to achieve and have deadlines for them. Then afterwards, prioritize them. Talk about your vision as well with other people. Let everyone know about your goals. That makes it easier for you to stay persistent. Be focused and stay committed. Make to-do lists and schedule your time because your time is valuable. Plan your next step continuously so you will get closer to your goal every day passing. And the most important, don't give up when you screw up because that's the chance when you have to learn something. And also, keep on learning every day. That's the key to success. So to summarize the 3 key aspects of success, we have
the first one is to find your passion and what you're good at. And the second one is to set clear goals and have a clear vision. And the third and the last is to stay committed and persistent and stay focused.
And if you want to continue growing with us, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.